how are you? I hope you all are doing well and staying safe at home. I am Darshana, Miss from Twinkling Kids Preschool. Today I will show you how to solve this worksheet. See here, first of all we will read the instruction. See here, color the picture of the hen and cut along the dotted stick perfect. Okay, for that we require some material like crayons, ice cream stick, scissor and glue. Okay, so let's get started. First we will color the hen. For that I will use yellow color. See here, our coloring part is completed. Our coloring part is done. Now we will cut the edge and make a puppet. See here, my hen is ready. Now what we will do? We will apply some glue on ice cream sticks like these and stick it on it like this. See here, my puppet hen is ready. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Thank you.